मेरा देश, मेरी जान, मेरी शान, मेरा मान. After that inspiring song, let's get to our next segment of our celebration. Here, the members from our own club will express their views on what independence, azadi, or swatantrata means to them. So let's hear from our past president, Sanjeevani Saraf, what independence or freedom means to her.
Hello friends, a very happy Independence Day to all of you. Today is a very auspicious day, a day to celebrate the independence as well as a day to pay tribute to all the dedicated and patriotic freedom fighters for their sacrifices. These great freedom fighters have given us a valuable legacy of unity in diversity with a message that independence is not just freedom, but it is to be carried out and enjoyed with a pinch of social responsibility. For this, we have to enhance our civic sense, imbibe the lost culture, maintain integrity, and improve self-esteem. At the same time, we have to curtail our growing population, maintain ecological balance, and educate the new generation. Today, we are having a virtual Independence Day celebration. Is it not amazing? Few months back, who would have thought of this virtual celebration? But when the need arises, we do find out solutions, and we have the capability to do so. Now is the time for everyone to introspect and awaken the Ram within us. We are also very lucky to have Shri Narendra Modi ji as our Prime Minister, who is very inspiring and motivating, and under his leadership, our country is developing in leaps and bounds. His motto, "Saugand mujhe इस मिट्टी की, मैं देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, मैं देश नहीं रुकने दूंगा, मैं देश नहीं झुकने दूंगा, मेरा वचन है भारत माता को, तेरा शीश नहीं झुकने दूंगा." I am confident under his able leadership, we will hand over a healthy, wealthy, prosperous, and peace-loving nation to the next generation. Friends, let's bring back the past glory of our golden era and establish Ram Rajya in our motherland. Jai.
So true. While enjoying freedom, we should work responsibly for our nation. Thank you, Sanjeevani. Next, let's hear from past President Asavri Sant what she thinks about freedom.
Good morning, everyone. Greetings on India's 74th Independence Day. Today I've been asked to say a few words about what freedom means to me. Whenever I hear this phrase, three things come to mind. The first is Rabindranath Tagore's famous poem, "Where the Mind is Without Fear." The second is an excellent book by Aldous Huxley called Roots, which talks about African slavery. And the third is by Nelson Mandela, a book titled Long Walk to Freedom, which speaks about his struggles against apartheid in South Africa. As a citizen of free India, born after independence, I think that I have never experienced fear of any kind, slavery of any kind, and neither have I experienced any kind of discrimination in my country. I am very proud to be born in a vibrant democracy, and I am grateful that I was born in this country after its independence. So then, to a citizen born after independence, what does freedom really mean? If you ask me, independence or freedom to me means the right to make responsible choices within a given framework of rules and regulations, of course following the laws of the land. Freedom to me means that nobody other than myself has the right to choose the way that I want to live my life and the way that I want to practice my profession. I am aware that these rights come with corresponding duties and responsibilities. I would like to divide my responsibilities as a citizen into three main categories. One, as a citizen of free India, as a woman citizen of free India, shall we say. Two, as a practicing professional. And three, as a parent. I think my third responsibility is my most important. As a woman citizen of India, I can think of two things which I can do, which I owe to my country. The first, as a citizen of India, I must pay my taxes honestly and on time. As a woman, I have an added responsibility to take care of the environment and make sure that the choices that I make in my life are not harming my country's resources. As a practicing professional, I know that I must practice my profession with the utmost integrity and with ethics. This I owe to my country, which has given me an opportunity to serve its people through my noble profession. My third responsibility, which I consider my most important, is that of a parent. I hope that I can give to my daughter the same freedom that I enjoy, the freedom to make her choices and to live by those choices without compromise. I also hope that I can leave a better India for her, a better world for her. And I must make sure that the way that I conduct my proceedings, the way that I practice my profession, the way that I live my life will make sure or will ensure that she inherits a better world. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Freedom is freedom to make responsible choices as a woman, as a professional, and as a parent. What a beautiful thought. Thank you, Asavri. Now let's hear from our member Sandhya Sheregar about her views on freedom.
Hello friends, I'm Sandhya Sheregar from District 317 Inner Wheel Club of Belgaum. Today I'm going to share about my perspective about independence and how we can contribute towards it. Since childhood, I always felt, after listening to the freedom struggle and stories by our freedom fighters, how lucky we are to be born in this independent nation. However, I always felt even I should do something about it. Don't we all think like that? How do we do that? Well, there are many ways. Through Inner Wheel, we are doing our own bit. But from our personal perspective, I always felt that we need to empower people. We need to train them to be self-reliant. Helping people is not just giving away charities, money, donation, but then to train them how to utilize this charity and feel empowered or become self-reliant. So my mission was always each one teach one, and I followed the principle to the T. Just imagine, with a population like ours, if we take up this challenge of taking up one underprivileged or one individual who is in need, to empower them, train them how to be self-reliant, and see them settled happily in their life. That's all. Imagine each one of us taking up each such individual. Don't you think our country will be a better place to live? It's a very small contribution. It just requires a small initiative. It's just mind over matters. And we definitely can see change around us. And I'm sure a lot of people are doing it already. But imagine if each one of us who have the ability, capability, who are blessed, who can take up this initiative, this responsibility of empowering people to be self-reliant, to train them how to live their life the right way, I think definitely this world will be a better place to live. All the struggles our freedom fighters struggled for will be worthwhile when we make our country the best. With this, happy Independence Day, my dear friends. Jai Hind.
Freedom is each one teach one, to make our country the best. What an empowering thought. Thank you, Sandhya. आता आपण ऐकूया प्रीती चिंडककडनं की स्वतंत्रता म्हणजे तिच्यासाठी काय.
नमस्कार. स्वातंत्र्य दिनाच्या सर्वांना हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. स्वतंत्रता दिवस संपूर्ण देशाचा खूप मोठा उत्सव, खूप मोठा सण. स्वतंत्रता प्रत्येकाला हवीशी वाटणारी गोष्ट. स्वतंत्रता प्रत्येक सजीवाचा अधिकार. स्वातंत्र्यपूर्व काळात स्वतंत्रताचे अर्थ आणि मागणी दोन्हीही वेगळे होते. तेव्हा केवळ ब्रिटिशांच्या गुलामगिरीतून मुक्तता आणि आपल्या देशात आपला मुक्त संचार आणि आपल्या देशात आपल्या विचारांना प्राधान्य एवढीच मागणी होती. आजच्या 21व्या शतकात आधुनिक जगात ही मागणी, ही अर्थ तर आहेतच, पण थोडेसे स्वरूप बदलले आहे. आजच्या आधुनिक जगात एक मॉडर्न स्त्री, एक आधुनिक स्त्री म्हणून स्वतंत्रता म्हणजे काय, तर आज तुमच्या समोर, आज देशाच्या एवढ्या मोठ्या दिवशी मी आपले स्वतःचे मत तुमच्या समोर मांडत आहे. ही पण एक प्रकारची स्त्री स्वतंत्रताच नाही का? आजची मॉडर्न स्त्री, आधुनिक स्त्री स्वतःच्या विचारांना, आचारांना स्वातंत्र्य मानते. तिच्या मतांना प्राधान्य देणं, या गोष्टी तिची स्वतंत्रता असते. आजच्या आधुनिक स्त्रीला पूर्णपणे ती स्वतंत्र आहे विचारांनी, आचारांनी, आणि तिला हेही माहिती आहे की स्वतंत्रता म्हणजे स्वैराचार नव्हे. स्वतंत्रता तिच्या मतांना दिले जाणारं प्राधान्य, तिच्या आचार विचारांना दिलेलं तिच्या मनाप्रमाणे मुक्तता, स्वतःला सिद्ध करून, स्वतःची प्रगती करून त्याबरोबर देशाचीही प्रगती करणं, या गोष्टीला आजची आधुनिक स्त्री स्वतंत्रता मानते. आजच्या स्त्रीला बरेच अधिकार आहेत. पूर्वीच्या स्त्रीच्या तुलनेत आजच्या स्त्रीला खूप अधिकार आहेत, मान्य आहेत, पण त्याबरोबरच तिला कर्तव्यही आहेत. वेगवेगळी आव्हाने आहेत जी ती अगदी व्यवस्थितपणे पेलताना दिसते. स्त्रीला अष्टभुजा म्हटले जाते आणि आजची स्त्री ही अष्टभुजा आहेच असंही आपण मान्य करू शकतो. स्त्री घरातील चूल मूल पासून ते देशाची अर्थव्यवस्था, देशाचे कुठलेही महत्त्वाचे निर्णय घेण्यासाठी पूर्णपणे केपेबल आहे, सक्षम आहे असंही म्हणता येईल. आजची आधुनिक स्त्री अनेक आव्हानांना अगदी व्यवस्थितपणे पेलताना दिसते. आजच्या आव्हानांचं धनुष्य ती लीलया पेलते, पण आणि त्याच्यातूनच ती तिची प्रगती करते, कुठल्याही गोष्टीची कधीही कुठलीही कंप्लेंट न करता. आजची आधुनिक स्त्री सक्षम आहेच विचारांनी, मनाने. तिला तिच्या जीवनात फियरलेस, भयमुक्त जीवन, भयमुक्त मत प्रदर्शन, भयमुक्त आचार, भयमुक्त संचार, ही आजची खूप मोठी स्वतंत्रता आहे तिच्यासाठी. एक आधुनिक स्त्री म्हणून ती ह्या गोष्टींची स्वतंत्रता इच्छिते आणि बहुतांशी वेळी तिला ही गोष्ट मिळालीही आहे. ही मिळणं हा तिचा अधिकार आहे. या स्वतंत्रता दिवशी ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टींबरोबर तिला दुसऱ्या स्त्रियांनाही एम्पावर करणं, सक्षम करणं, त्यांना प्रोत्साहन देऊन पुढे आणणं, या गोष्टीची स्वतंत्रता असणं. आजच्या आधुनिक स्त्रीला कर्तव्य, अधिकार ह्या गोष्टींची जाणीव आहे. ह्या गोष्टी व्यवस्थितपणे सांभाळणं, ह्या गोष्टींची पूर्तता करणं ही आजच्या स्त्रीची नक्कीच एक आव्हान आहे. आजच्या स्त्रीच्या समोर करतानाच दिसते आणि यासाठी तिला स्वतंत्र असं प्लॅटफॉर्म, स्वतंत्र असं एक वातावरण निर्माण करून देणं ही आजच्या फक्त स्त्री जातीची नाही तर संपूर्ण समाजाची गरज आहे. कारण आधीपासूनच ही एक शब्द आणि ही एक वाक्यरचना, ही एक स्टेटमेंट चालत आलंय, मुलगी शिकली प्रगती झाली. तिचं शिकणं फक्त शिक्षणापुरतं मर्यादित नाहीये, तर तिचं शिक्षण म्हणजे संपूर्णपणे तिची संपूर्ण प्रगती, सर्वांगाने प्रगती म्हणजे मुलगी शिकली आणि प्रगती झाली. कारण एक स्त्री जेव्हा अशी व्यवस्थितपणे स्वतंत्र होते तेव्हा ती स्त्री नक्कीच जगाचाही उद्धार करते. आणि जर आपल्याला आपली प्रगती, समाजाची प्रगती करायची असेल तर आजच्या स्त्रीला असं वातावरण, अशी स्वतंत्रता देणं महत्त्वाचं आहे. स्वातंत्र्य दिनाच्या पुन्हा एकदा शुभेच्छा. खूप खूप धन्यवाद. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.
स्वतंत्रता म्हणजे स्वतःला सिद्ध करून स्वतःबरोबर देशाचीही प्रगती करणं. खूप सुंदर विचार प्रीती. धन्यवाद. नेक्स्ट इज our new member Shilpa Manoj. Let's hear what she thinks about independence.
15th August 1947 to 15th August 2020. It's been 74 years since we got independence from the British rule. Hello friends, I'm Shilpa Manoj. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Everyone has a different perspective of a freedom. As a good citizen of a free country, I should be more of a human being than being a Brahmin, a Lingayat, a Maratha or a Dalit. The most important thing today is the eradication of the caste system. As a citizen of modern India, I want to be known as an Indian and not as a Hindu Brahmin or a Roman Catholic. I don't want to specify my caste or a subcaste while filling a form. I want to get a job based on my merit, because I deserve it and I have earned it, not because of the reservations. With so many changes taking place in our age-old orthodox systems of the country, I'm sure the equality I'm looking for people as a person they are and not a religion or a caste they belong to is not very far away. As a woman, for me, independence is not मर्दों के कंधे से कंधा मिला के चलना है as a competitor, but as a companion. I want equal respect and recognition for the efforts I put in not only as a career woman, but also as a homemaker. I mean, the efforts we put in there are never recognized. At the end, I would like to say, the silver lining to all this is we are not too far from being a powerful nation if we continue to be a good citizen and a good human being. And I'm sure with the able and great leadership, we are not far away from that too. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Freedom is equality in the society, irrespective of caste, creed, religion, or even sex. Freedom is being a good human being. What an innovative thought. Thank you, Shilpa. With this, we come to an end of the segment, My Take on Freedom, Azadi or Swatantrata. Thank you one and all.